Hello everyone, Assalamu alaikum warahmatullah. Welcome to my Creative Learning channel. Today I am going to share some amazing computer shortcuts that will save your time and boost your productivity. Let's go. Control C, Control C, Control plus C for copy. Control C for copy. Control V for paste. Control plus V for paste. Control X for cut. Control X for cut. Control Z for undo. Control plus Z for undo. Control S for save. Control plus S for save. Control P for print. Control plus P for print. Alter plus tab key. Alter plus tab key for switch windows. Alter plus tab switch between windows. Windows plus D for show desktop. Windows plus D for show desktop. Windows plus D for show desktop. Control plus Shift plus T for reopen close tab. Control plus Shift plus T for reopen close tab. Windows key plus L for lock your computer. Windows plus L for lock your computer. If you found these shortcuts helpful for you, don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, share and follow.